Gergardt's Mill, or Grudinin's Mill, is a steam mill building of the early 20th century, destroyed during the Battle of Stalingrad and not restored as a memory of the war. Part of the Battle of Stalingrad Museum-Reserve. The mill building is one of the first in Tsaritsyno, built using the technology of a supporting reinforced concrete frame and an outer shell of brick walls. The mill operated until September 14, 1942, when the building was hit by high explosive bombs, which caused a fire and a work stoppage. On this day, the 42nd Rifle Brigade of General Batrikov, which was defending the central part of Stalingrad, retreated. On the night of September 14, 15, General Rodintsev's 13th Guards Rifle Division crossed the Volga to correct the catastrophic situation. The mill and Pavlov's house became the Penza Defense Center, after the name of Penza Street. The front began to move in January 1943. The 13th Division launched an offensive in the Mamayev-Kurgan area. The 9th January area ceased to be a no-man's land. The building was semi-encircled for 58 days, and during these days it withstood numerous hits from aerial bombs and shells. This damage is visible even now. Literally every square meter of the outer walls is cut by shells, bullets and shrapnel. On the roof, reinforced concrete beams are broken by direct hits from aerial bombs.